Hello children, how are you all? So today a new chapter I'm going to teach you in maths, and that is money. Okay? Money is very important, you all know. You are grown-ups now, you're in class 1, so you should know that money is very important. Because money ke bagair you cannot buy a chocolate even. Hmm? So money is very important. When you go to a mall or something, and if you want to buy suppose if you want to buy one pencil, what you will do? For buying this pencil, what you give? You give your button or your toy to that shopkeeper, you give money. Definitely, you give money because shopkeeper will not going to take your toy or something else. Shopkeeper will take money to give you this pencil, right? So money is very important. Hmm? Then one more thing which is important is that we all are living, we all are earning, we all are working, we all are doing work hard just because we need money. Why are you studying? Why you go to school? Why you want to get good marks? Why you want to want the admission in good colleges? Why you want to get a good job? The reason is that you want to earn good money so that whatever you need in your life you can able to fulfill that, and everything is fulfilled by the money. So that is why you always heard from your mother and father that beta, please save money, don't waste money because money is very important. Hmm? Okay. uh, well, money is everywhere in the world, in every country. Money har jagah hai, but the thing is that everywhere money has different name, and that is called currency. Currency of India is different, currency of US is different, currency of England is different, currency of UAE, that is Arab Emirates, are different. So everywhere that the name of currency is different, but money is important. पैसा हर जगह है, हर जगह उसकी ज़रूरत है, पर उसका नाम हर जगह डिफरेंट होता है. हमारे इंडिया में व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ अ करेंसी? द नेम ऑफ अ करेंसी इज रुपीज़. Same way when you go to US, that is America, the name of the currency is there is dollar. Same way when you come to any Arab country, the name of there is dinar, right? When you go to Bhutan or Bangladesh somewhere, then you get the name as taka. So everywhere the different names are there for the money. But money is important. Currency is important because without this you cannot even able to spend a single day of your life. Everything, even food you get from money, water you get from money, everything you get from money. So money is important, and for this money, studies is important, working hard is important, scoring good marks is important. Okay. Okay. Now you are grown-ups, so I hope and I know very well that you all know what is the meaning of coins, what is the meaning of notes. In our country, India, the money, that is rupees, is divided into two forms. The one is notes and one is coin. In coin we call it sikka in Hindi, and note only in Hindi. Okay. So I want to show you that this is a coin, and this coin is totally made up of metal. Okay. This is also in use. 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin. You all are used of this. Okay. And we have money. We have notes. This is, can see note. Even you can see 1 rupee note also. This is a 1 rupee note which you can use. This usable note. Okay. Instead of using coin, you can use this note. Uh, so there are two form of money or two form of currencies in a country in India, that is note and coin. Okay, this coin made up of metal, and note, you all know that note is made up of paper, very good quality paper and very costly paper. Okay. Okay. So first of all I want to show you some specimens of the notes that you should know that what type of rupees are there. So first I would like to show you, as I've already shown you, this is a 1 rupee note. This is 1 rupee note. You can see very easily, you can see this one is already written over there and 1 rupee bhi likha hua hai, so it's a 1 rupee note. Then I have for you 10 rupee note also. This is 10 rupees note. 10 rupees note. Well, 5 rupees notes are also there, but I don't have, it's not available with me right now, so I'm not able to show you. But it is a 10 rupee note. This note is used too much. लोग बहुत सारे लोग इसको use करते हैं because it's a very comfortable note for buying any small thing, for buying chocolates, for buying your chips, for buying a pen. Even 10 rupees are useful. So people use this a lot. This 10 rupee note. You can see this. Okay. Then I have one more, that is 50 rupee note. 50. The value is 50 rupees. If you want to buy anything which costs 50, then you can give this note to that person and you can get that money, that thing from that person. You can give 50 rupees to that person and get the thing back from that person which is cost 50 rupees. Okay. Then I have one more for you, that is 100 rupees. See, this 100 rupees note. Okay, 100 is written over there. You can see Gandhiji is also there, right? And at the back of that you can see Rani Ka Wow. At 100 rupees note at the back you can see the picture of Rani Ka Wow. It is written over here, Rani Ki Wow. This is a 100 rupees note. Then I have one for you more. This is 200 rupees note. You can see 200. See, 200 rupees note, right? At the back of this you can see a picture of Sanchi Stupa also. This is a picture of Sanchi Stupa, and this is a 200 rupees note. Then the chance come for the coins. So coins, earlier we can see 50 paise coins were there, 25 paise coins were there, but I'm not showing you because now it is of no value. अब कोई use नहीं करता 50 paise coins and 25 paise coin. Nobody use, so I'm not showing you that. I'm showing you the coin which is usable, and that is 1 rupee coin. This is very useful coin, 1 rupee coin, right? Okay. Then you can see here, this is a 2 rupee coin. 2 rupee coin it is. If you want to buy something of 2 rupees, you can give this coin, get a 2 rupee coin. Then this is the 10 rupee coin. This coin is also very useful. As I've told you, 10 rupee note is useful. Same way 10 rupee coin is also very useful. You can give this coin to the shopkeeper and get anything which amount 10 rupees. Okay. So there also 500 rupees coin is there, then 2000 rupees coin is there, 1000 rupee coin is not there in our country, but 500 coin is there, 500 rupees is there, note is there, not coin, I'm so sorry, coin. And then 2000 rupee note is also there. So all this thing is important for you to know that money is important. Suppose then there are some calculations also. Whenever you go to the shop, okay, you want something, there's some calculations also which is important. Suppose suppose you want to buy this pen and this pen cost 25 rupees. This pen costs 25 rupees. So क्या करोगे? What you will going to do? You have 20 rupees with you. You have 10 rupees with you. 10 rupee coin. Then I have 10 rupee note also with me. So कितना हो गया? 10 plus 10 is 20. And then I have 5 then I have 5 rupee coin with me. ठीक है? So 10 plus 10, 20 and 5. This is called 25. So I will going to give this 25 rupees to the shopkeeper and then I will get this pen back. Right? Same way, if I want to buy some book, suppose I want to buy a book, this is a book which I want to buy, okay, from a shopkeeper. So, and this book cost is about 300 rupees. Now what I will going to do? 300 की तो कोई नोट ही नहीं होती है. Then what I will going to do? Very simple है भाई. I'm going to take my 200 note. This is my 200 note, and then I will take my 100 rupees note. I will join these two notes together, and then I will give to the shopkeeper. Please take it. Take this money from me, and please give that book to me. Same way, there's a different type of calculations which you can do by using your money. You can even divide your monies by using coins also. Coin बहुत important होते हैं because somewhat rupees is not available. Suppose you want to have something 37 rupees. अब 37 के लिए how you will going to take 30 तो आपने you have made by using 20 rupees and 10 rupees. You have combined and make it 30. But how you will going to get 7 rupees? You are going to get 7 rupees by using 5 rupees coin. And then 2 rupee coin. 5 plus 2, 7, 37. So this way, beta, this way you will going to understand and the way to purchase the thing by using what? By using rupees, money. ठीक है? And the most important thing as a teacher I want to tell you, money is important. Please save money. Don't waste money. Many of the children used to waste their parents' money. नहीं करो. It's a very important thing. Don't waste money. Try to use it. Try to use in some useful thing. ठीक है? I hope you understand what is the basic thing of for the chapter money. Rest is the whatever the work is there that you will get through eCare Pro app, but please see this video properly. Try to look deeply the framing of the notes so that you will understand which type of note is available in our country. Okay? Till then, take care, be safe, and please study maths. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye bye.